This is the Windsurf. So I am here. So this is a highly recommended place as well. So this is until 11 a.m. midnight, and the good thing why I am here is just like this is like the school as well for study of parasailing and skateboarding. So for skateboarding is 500, but with the teacher is 400, so 900 for 1 hour. And this is also already with a restaurant, so there's no dull moment. See, it's a KBA kite school. So they can So my son corrected me. It's not Windsurf, it's Windsurf, according to him. So we're here now to the restaurant, and we're going to the beach. It's low tide right now. It's good to sit down out there as well, down there. These are the people. It's good to come over here at early morning.